Hello everyone, I am Shantika Shah. I welcome you all to the art class of Litera Valley School. I hope you all are safe at home. Student, previous class I have taught you how to make card. I hope you all have make a special card for your mom. Now today's topic is how to draw fruit basket. Now let's start today's class. First of all, you will draw a margin. Today I have made, but you will make margin like this. Okay. Now you will write topic. Today's topic is fruit basket. You will write here date. Okay. Now we will start our drawing. First of all, you will draw like this. You know now how to draw zigzag. Like this you will draw. Okay. Now we will do like this. After that we will draw like this. Okay. Then after this you will draw like this. First you will draw a basket shape. Like this you will make a basket first. Now after this you will draw here a line. Like this you will draw a line. Okay, half a line, not full line. Now you will divide like this. We will make a design basket. Okay, for that we will draw first like this, then this, then this, and again one line from this, line this, and line this. Okay. Now we will make a basket to hold. How to hold your basket? For holding basket you will make a like this. Half a circle you have to make. Okay. Again from inside you will draw one more line. Okay. Now in fruit basket it's your choice. Whatever fruit you want you can make. How many fruits you want you can make. But here I am making a simple fruit. Only simple one fruit I am making here. That is apple. Okay. In this basket you can make your own type of fruit. Whatever fruit you want you can draw. How many of fruit you want you can draw. Like this. you will draw. Okay, now we will draw like this. It's a simple design. Like this you will make it. You will turn your copy like this and then you will make it. See, one thing you will do, here you will erase it and it will like this. Now here I have make wrong, I have make a mistake. I will do a correction. Now here also we have to give a design like this. I think you are getting how to make it. Okay, like this we will give a design. It will like this. It's very simple, kids. It's very simple to draw. I think you are getting how to you have to make. Very patiently you have to draw. Okay, what is this? This is a napkin. We keep napkin in basket. This is a napkin. Now our sketching part has been done. Now we will color it. First we will take light brown and dark brown. I am using here oil pastel color. If you are having oil pastel color, you will do with your oil pastel color. If you are having pencil color, you will use your pencil color. If you are having wax color, you will use wax color. No need that ma'am is using oil pastel, I will also use oil pastel. It's no need. Whatever color you are having, you will use it. Okay. Now first we will take light brown color. For light brown you have to color it like this, very patiently and smoothly. It will take your time, but no need to hurry. See, my half one row is completed. Now what we will do, take a dark brown color and do like this. See, it will look very pretty. Now After this we will do second row like this only. Now again we will do with dark brown. You will turn your copy like this and you will do it. Okay. Now again we will take light brown. Like this you will do, and again we will take dark brown. Now again you will do like this with the use of light brown color. And again we will take a dark brown and again we will do like this. Like this you will do a coloring. I think you are looking that how slowly I am doing coloring. No need to be hurry. Okay. Now again we will take brown color, dark brown. Now we will do this. Slowly we will color it. See, it is see like this you will do dark brown. Okay, now again in this we will also do a light brown color like this. Now we will take dark brown and like this. Okay, now we will mix this color. How we will mix? I am having earbud. If you are not having with you earbud, you will take napkin or a paper. So now, if you are having earbud, you will use earbud. If you are not having earbud, you will use cotton, and you can use paper. You will tear your paper. Piece of paper you can also use. Those who are using oil pastel color, they will only use this thing. They will only follow this step. Okay, now see how I will do it. See how I am doing, you can see it. Very smoothly you have to do this, and very patiently you have to do. No need to be hurry. I think you are getting how to you have to do this. See, it's looking nice. Now again you will take dark brown color and light brown color. We will do this portion now. Okay, first you will take your dark brown color and make this. Okay, again now with light brown color we will do like this. How smoothly I am doing, you can able to see. No need to be hurry. Finish. Now again we will take dark brown. See. Now we will do fruit. We will do a coloring of fruit. Here student, I have made only apple, and two type of apple I have made. One is red apple, one is green apple. Okay, and I am having here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 apple I am having. 5 apples I am having. So first of all, you will what you will do, if you are making this apple picture, then first of all you will divide this like this. One is red, one is green, one is red, one is green, one is red. Okay. Now you will do coloring part. First we will do with red color. Okay. First we will take a light red and we will color it like this. Okay. Okay. Now we will use dark red to highlight this. Now we will again mix it with the help of earbud or cotton and whatever you will have. Again we will mix the color. See how nice it's looking. Okay, our red apple done. Now we will take light green and dark green. Now with the dark green we will highlight like this. Okay, with dark green we will make this also. I'm sorry, I have forgot to do this. Do like this. My mistake, I have done have green, but it will be red color. Okay. Now again we will take cotton and again we will mix it. Smoothly you have to do it, otherwise your red color will come and mix here. Okay. Now see, now this coloring part done. We have done coloring part. We will not use black sketch pen or color to make outline. It's finished. Now we will take black sketch pen or marker or pen or color. Whatever you will have, you will take out and you will do border. Always I said you to make border. We will highlight this border. With the help of scale, you will highlight your border. Okay. Now, see children, I hope you like this drawing. How it's looking? It's looking now very beautiful. Yes, you will also try this fruit basket. You will make it at home. Okay? Children, I hope you enjoyed my class. Stay safe, stay healthy, and thank you.